Dash cams have quietly become one of the smartest upgrades drivers can add to a vehicle. A good dash camera doesn't just record accidents, it protects against insurance disputes, captures unexpected moments, improves parking security, and adds peace of mind every time the engine starts. But not every dash cam performs equally well once conditions become difficult at night, during bad weather, or inside crowded traffic. These dash cams were ranked based on video quality, reliability, features, usability, and overall real-world driving performance. Number 1. 70mm 4K Dual Dashcam. The 70mm 4K Dual Dashcam feels like one of the most complete modern driving security systems currently available for everyday drivers. It combines sharp image quality, intelligent monitoring features, and advanced connectivity in a package that feels noticeably premium during real use. Its Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor performs exceptionally well during nighttime driving, where many dash cams struggle with blurry details and unreadable plates. The combination of 4K front recording and 1080p rear footage also creates strong overall coverage without sacrificing clarity. Built-in 4G LT remote access and AI motion detection add another layer of protection by allowing drivers to monitor parked vehicles remotely. Wi-Fi 6 support also improves footage transfer significantly compared to slower older systems. The design itself stays compact and modern without blocking excessive windshield visibility. Combined with HDR night vision, GPS tracking, voice control, and reliable parking mode support, this dash cam delivers an impressive balance between cutting-edge features and practical everyday usability for modern driving situations. Number 2. Rove R2-4K Dash Cam. The Rove R2-4K became popular because it delivers strong image quality and reliable daily performance without becoming overly complicated for average drivers. It focuses heavily on the core features that matter most during real-world driving situations. The UD 2160p recording captures excellent daytime detail, while the wide-angle lens provides broad road coverage without creating extreme image distortion. Night recording also performs surprisingly well thanks to WD Doctor processing and strong low-light optimization. Its built-in Wi-Fi 6 allows faster video downloads directly to smartphones, while integrated GPS records speed and location data during trips. The simple menu system and responsive screen also make setup and playback much easier than many overly complicated competitors. The compact body feels durable and discreet once mounted behind the windshield. For commuters, rideshare drivers, and everyday road protection, this dash cam delivers dependable video quality, strong app performance, and excellent value while avoiding unnecessary complexity that often frustrates less technical users. Number 3. VIOFO A119 V3 Dash Cam. Some dash cams earn loyal followings because they focus heavily on video quality instead of flashy marketing features, and the VIOFO A119 V3 fits perfectly into that category. It remains especially respected among drivers who prioritize recording clarity above everything else. The 2K Quad HD recording paired with the Sony Starvis sensor captures sharp footage with impressive detail during both daytime and nighttime driving. Its 60 frame per second capability also improves motion smoothness significantly during faster highway driving situations. Buffered parking mode adds valuable protection by recording events before and after motion or impacts occur, which helps capture more complete incidents while parked. GPS integration and ATRO support further improve reliability during difficult lighting conditions. Its wedge-shaped design keeps the camera discreet and compact behind rear-view mirrors without becoming visually distracting. While it lacks some premium smart features found in newer models, the A119 V3 continues standing out because of consistent recording quality and dependable long-term performance during everyday driving. Number 4. Dual Dash Cam. The Koobacar Dual Dash Cam stands out mainly because it delivers an impressive feature list at a much more budget-friendly price compared to premium competitors. It balances affordability and functionality surprisingly well for drivers wanting complete front and rear coverage. The system records in 4K front resolution alongside 2.5K rear footage, creating sharp enough video for daily commuting and parking protection. Included night vision and W-Doctor processing also help maintain reasonable image quality during darker driving conditions. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS support improve convenience for playback and trip tracking, while the included 64GB memory card adds immediate usability without requiring extra purchases afterward. The larger IPS display also makes reviewing footage directly inside the vehicle easier. The construction feels lighter than higher-end models, but still solid enough for regular everyday use. For drivers wanting strong recording features without spending premium-level money, this dashcam provides excellent practical value while covering most important daily driving security needs effectively. Number 5. Vantrue N4 Pro S Dashcam. The Vantrue N4 Pro S feels built specifically for drivers wanting maximum recording coverage instead of basic front-only protection. Its triple camera setup monitors front, rear, and cabin views simultaneously, making it especially useful for rideshare driving and high-traffic environments. The front camera records in detailed 4K, while the rear and interior cameras add broad situational coverage during driving and parking situations. Triple Sony Starvis 2 sensors also improve nighttime clarity significantly compared to older multi-channel systems. Its infrared cabin night vision performs especially well for interior recording during dark conditions, helping capture passengers and cabin activity more clearly. Buffered parking mode and support for massive storage capacity further strengthen its long-term security capabilities. The larger feature set also makes installation and setup slightly more involved compared to simpler dash cams. However, for drivers prioritizing complete vehicle monitoring and advanced recording protection, this system delivers one of the most comprehensive dashcam experiences currently available for serious daily driving coverage. The best dashcams don't just record footage, they provide reassurance every time the vehicle leaves the driveway. These cameras stand out because they combine reliability, sharp video quality, and practical safety features that genuinely help protect drivers long after the road ahead becomes unpredictable.